Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a metric thread in Rhino 8, and I'm making this video because I did not see anyone else making a video on this. So after a few hours I figured it out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a polygon, well a triangle, and just align the tip of it over to the origin. Okay, and once you have done that, you want to create a horizontal line the size of your pitch divided by 8. Then you're going to want to align it to the middle, and using the endpoints you're going to go straight down. Okay, and then you can delete it. And then you can use these two as cutting objects and trim the tip of the triangle. Use lines to connect it back, and then you can join it, align it back to the top, and yeah, once you've done that, you can select this, move it over to the left by your thread divided by 2. Then you're going to create a line, a horizontal line. It's going to be your thread divided by 4. You're going to bring this line, align it right over to the middle. Then you're going to have 2 lines sticking down straight. So the second one, the one on the very right, you're going to move it back by the pitch. Then you're going to want to use the trim tool, use the lines as cutting objects, and just trim that away, and then connect the open triangle. Then you're going to be left with this. You're going to want to rotate it by 90 degrees so it's facing that way, and then you're going to align it over here, how I have it right here. Then once you got it like this, you're going to want to move it to the right by whatever your major diameter is, divided by 2. Then you're going to use the helix tool and move it up however high you want your side to be. I'll do 14 millimeters, and then the width, you'll just snap it to the midpoint. Then you're going to copy and paste it, and you're going to move one up by your thread divided by 8 divided by 2, and then the bottom one you're going to move down by negative your thread divided by 8 divided by 2. So once you've got that, you are going to do the command sweep to, select both of these, and then the triangle, and then it will give you something like this. Then you're going to use the cylinder command, put the base of the cylinder over to the middle, and then you can either do the minor diameter, or you can snap your circle diameter over to here. Either one will work. And then you're going to make it however high you wanted your thread to be. So mine was 14. So then I've got this. So then you're going to take your thread, your actual thread, then you're going to do the cap command. So once you've got that, you're going to want to create another cylinder and the origin. Now this one will make your major diameter. So mine was 3.91 because I'm doing it on 4th group with a 0.7 millimeter pitch. So then you don't have to make it as high, but make it like a little high. And then make a line from the edge of that going whatever your pitch is up. Then you can get rid of that. We just used it for like alignment. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this line and move it up by your pitch. So it should be like 2 pitches. You're going to rotate it by 45 degrees and then get rid of the other one. And multiply this one by 4 and this one. So it's like a big line, 45 degrees crossing over that point. Then you're going to do the revolve tool, just like a full circle. then you're going to use your trim tool, and you're going to use this as your cutting object and trim away this poly surface and that sticking out portion of the cylinder. Then you're going to select the thread, the cylinder, and down here there should be a little line. You're going to select that as well. Then you're going to trim away this piece and this piece. Now you're going to select all your curves, you're going to delete them, select all your surfaces and all your poly surfaces, and you're going to join them. Oop, not delete. You're going to join them, and then you should be done. With the top you can do whatever you want. So yeah, that's how you do it.